How to check if someone blocked you on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You find this kind of screen pop up. You will not have any option to directly view who blocked you, so go to search button and search the person. After you've searched the person, if they are available in your profile, that means they have not blocked you. As you can see, if there is add friend option, which simply means that person has not blocked you, just unfriended you from Facebook. And from this way, you can see if someone blocked you on Facebook or not. And this is how to check if someone blocked you on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.